Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing great and wonderful Saturday for everyone watching us from all walks of life and from every part of this beautiful world. It's a rainy day downtown Baghdad tonight. There are a few things that I wanted to share with you, but since I always like to focus on one simple thing and then digress in that particular thing, I wanted to talk with you in that particular thing. I wanted to walk you through how you can improve your listening and speaking simultaneously. One of the most important features of successful learners is their dedication to the field of their interest. They always follow their passion. No matter what people tell them about their passion, they always follow their passion. Now, if you want to open the door of language, you need to specifically focus on the fields and interests that you have as an English learner. If you are interested in learning and have the hobbies such as discovering reading, discovering archaeology, discovering politics, discovering nutrition, discovering marketing and sales, these are, for example, few things where you will use English to discover more. Most of the learners that I've been working with so far are coming from all walks of life. Some of them are CEOs, Chief Executive Officers. Some of them are sales managers. Some of them are hobbyists. Some of them are tourists and adventure seekers. They're coming from all walks of life. But the common feature among all of them is the feature of curiosity and perseverance. They never seem to saturate all of their interests from one lesson or two lessons. Their interests are insatiable. And by that I mean their interests are always invigorating. They're always seeking for new fields of interest. They're always trying to discover more their field, and they discover their field through language. And what we've been focusing on particularly with them is the fact of how to use English and learn English through sales marketing. So most of the topics that we talk about are geared and digressed totally within the field of social marketing, network marketing, Facebook marketing, sales marketing, and we list around 60 questions per session to talk about. And I give them 1 minute to 2 minutes to talk about each one of these questions in details. So the point that I want to mention in this video, the most significant and certainly the most optimal recommendation that I have to you to improve your English is to improve your English through the field of your interest. Just use English as a tool to discover your field of interest, whether that's discovery, history, geography, any field, or even psychology and law. You can improve your English through these fields. It's a vehicle that transfers you from point A to point B in the territory of language learning. That's a quick lesson. In this lesson, I highlighted in red some of the keywords that I want you to learn because they are very common. In addition to that, I've emphasized the point of learning through themes and learning through passion and learning through your fields of interest. Have a wonderful evening.